Mic check. Okay, the frame, you got an Eastern Reaper 2010. Sorry. Handlebars, I got the Verde Cartel 2s. Rusty. I like them. Grips, ODI super soft. Soft. As fuck. Bar-ends, animal bar-ends. Whatever. Tire in the front. Fit FAF 2.25. And the rim, the Alienation, laced to a Mission Stalwart hub. I don't know, female axle, I like that. And pegs, I got Demolition Dump Chuck V3, front and back. Fork, I got the Fit Shift 2 fork, light, like it. And stem, stock stem, I don't know what stem it is. And the seat, comfortable ass seat, Demolition D-Fat seat. This thingy, C-post, animal C-post, red, you know, gotta have that red. Twisted PCs, crank arms, stock sprocket, Demolition bottom bracket, Demolition, back tire, animal ASM, slick tire, dirty, back rim, Alienation PVR, laced to a Demolition Rogue. That's really loud. The chain, mechanic chain, half link. Here's the half check. My wheel's not true. That's the thing. It's not true. Need to get it true, but it's not true. Look at that untrued wheel. Holy shit. Alright. Here are some clips.